Bubbles. Water. Correct. Good. Some more.
Sea, waves.
Ada water na.
Can we get some more? Okay. From the waves, now we will go the same irregular shape. We will go and make it a full irregular shape. What is this now?
Flower.
Draw. Yes, very good. Fauzia. Yes. Ronak, what can you think of?
Map. Map. Map.
Map.
Map.
What?
Map.
Map. Map.
I
Map.
didn't get that.
Map. She's saying map.
It can be clouds. Right? It can be clouds.
Cloud.
It can be amoeba, some shape, some irregular shape. It can be amoeba.
Map,
Right?
it can be even a bush.
It can be a bush. The same thing if you draw like that and put
Amoeba.
some
It can be
sticks
amoeba.
over here. It can be a tree.
Amoeba. Amoeba.
Amoeba, correct. So now, what did we do just now? All this with our fingers. What did we do?
Ma'am, we was doing shapes and drawing.
Iris.
We were drawing, correct. We were drawing all these shapes, right? And this drawing is what is called as art. So art is nothing but drawing by using lines, circles, squares,
Yeah.
curvy lines, straight
Yeah.
lines,
Rectangle. Rectangle.
rectangle, yes. And
Ma'am,
what
we
do you
do
draw?
shape.
What do you draw?
We draw something.
You draw what you see around you, right? You draw what you see around you, and instead of telling by language, instead of telling it's a table, it's a computer, or it's a flower, you are drawing it with lines and circles and saying, this is it. So, art is a language also. Okay? Now, shall we do something with now we will use our hands, okay, and draw something on a sheet of paper.
Okay,
Can we
ma'am.
do?
Ma'am, A4 sheet will do.
A4 sheet, yes. A4 sheet will do, yes. And the others who have not switched on their video, I would again request you, please switch on the video. We need to see your face.
Read.
And then after you draw, we need to see what you have drawn.
Ma'am, I don't have paint.
I just need a A4 sheet, paper and a pencil or pen, whatever. Pencil is fine. Fauzia, Jayashree.
But I'm supposed to have a black sketch.
Okay. Let me start and then maybe you will. Yes, good.
Party.
Ashihal, yes, correct. You can use that sheet now. How many more are there? Jayashree and are there any more, Amal? I can see only Jayashree is not.
Yeah, I think we can continue. They might be having some issues with the camera or something like that. So we can continue and
Okay, fine. Okay, shall we start?
Ma'am, I
I'm
invite
drawing
my
on
mother.
this
So only
board. I have not taken an A4 size sheet. I will draw on this board and you can draw on your A4 sheet, and after we finish, then you can all start showing your drawings. Okay? So, what we start doing is, we are only going to do circles and lines. That's all for now.
And lines.
Okay? So, you can
And the
start
line.
from one end of the page and till the other end, just draw a line. Random line, it can be anywhere. Anywhere on the sheet, from end to end, you can draw a line. You need not follow exactly in this position. You can draw somewhere here also. Okay, so like that, you can draw last. We will see the whole thing lastly. Okay. Yes. Now draw another line. Anyway, random line.
கீழே கூட இருக்கலாம்ல.
Okay, so like this. Across your sheet, draw some 4 lines. Okay.
இங்கயா?
It can be anywhere on the sheet. Draw some 4 or 5 lines. No matter what. 4 to 5. Right now, we don't want more than that.
இங்க எழுதி
So
இடலையா
4 to 5 lines. Okay? And now we got our lines. Correct? Now we will do a round, a circle. Anywhere. It can be anywhere on your sheet. A circle. Alright?
இதுதான் கொஞ்சம்
And maybe I will draw another circle somewhere, maybe here. You can draw anywhere on the sheet, children.
இதுல ஜாயின் பண்ணலாம்
Draw a circle anywhere on the sheet. Some 2 circles on the sheet.
இருக்குதா இங்க வந்து இது வரைக்கும் அப்புறம் இதுக்குள்ள ஒரு சர்க்கிள் வரையறான்ல இங்க இருந்து
Okay. Now after this, we will start filling.
இங்க ஒரு சர்க்கிள் இங்க ஒரு
You
சர்க்கிள்
can see there are blocks everywhere, right? So in each of this block, we will start filling whatever we spoke today. We spoke about rectangles, we spoke about squares, right? We spoke about lines, we spoke about curvy lines, we talk about flowers, cloud. Think of any object, anything. Just start filling them. Each of them you start filling. Like for example, maybe I will start filling this with lines like this.
मेरी सारी लाइन तो फिल करना है.
Okay, so this lines can be it can be like this, and then you can start drawing this way. So just fill that with lines. Okay, so we are drawing lines and lines. Just fill one space with lines, however you want. Fill one space with more and more lines. Just go on drawing those lines. These are straight lines we are drawing. You drawing? Take your time and fill one of the box with lines.
Hello.
Yes, good.
My happy birthday, Papa. My happy birthday, Papa.
Now let draw.
Hey, Papa. I draw. Birthday kiss.
Draw lines, Raunak.
Hello, Daddy. आवाज से.
Okay, now in the middle of the circle, let's draw some more circles.
Birthday.
Just go
Happy
drawing some more
birthday.
circles like that.
Cake.
You can see what I'm drawing?
Cake.
Okay, and then inside this, let's try to draw a small tennis ball. Okay, just fill those with some balls. Maybe tennis ball or a big ball like that. Maybe it's a cricket ball. You put a dot like that, it becomes cricket ball.
Suriksha.
Correct. And just go on filling that with circles or dots. Just do whatever you want, no problem. Just go on doing rounds and dots. Yes? You with me? Doing the circles and balls and moon and sun and what not? All the circles which we talked about. Okay. So now we'll go to another part. Maybe I'll go here. You can go in any portion of your sheet. Just go there and maybe draw flowers. Draw flowers. It can be any shape of flowers. Right? It can be this flower. Just draw curvy lines. Yes? You can fill it up. You can fill this with more and more flowers. Now I draw a big flower. See? Can you see the board? Amal, is the board seen?
Yes, we can see the board very clearly. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you. Raunak, you should draw.
Draw.
Draw circles and lines. You are drawing? Good, very good. Oh, there's so many flowers. Lovely, Fauzia. Okay, and now, see now what you can do is, if you want to do some more lines, not end to end, not in the sheet end to end. So maybe I want to draw one more line here. I just draw one line. So you can also draw wherever you feel it's a big portion. Draw one more line and draw some waves. Okay. Draw some waves. See?
Wow, the flower.
Draw more and more waves. Yes? The waves can go high like that. High and deep like that also. See?
डिजाइन बना लो मैम बना रही डिजाइन देखो डिजाइन
Okay, Jai Shri, Sai, Kirtan, you're also drawing, isn't it? So we have waves also there. What else can you draw? What else we talk about?
Squares.
Squares.
Square, rectangle.
Correct. So fill another box with squares. It can be squares. Those squares can be joined also. See, you can just go on joining those squares. Okay?
दोनों आ
Draw more and more squares, or it can be separate, or it can be joined.
दोनों में
We
कार्ड
have a box full of squares.
बर्थडे कार्ड
Yes, birthday card. But now, birthday card, cake pieces, pineapple, books. I don't know.
Now I want to do one more line here and a line here. See, now you can go on putting more lines so that you will get more blocks like that, and in each blocks you can go on changing your curve line, straight line or round lines. Okay, so now here I just want to do this shape. It can be a triangle if you close, or it can be just birds like that. So now fill this with triangles or birds. Yes.
कार्ड बन रहा कार्ड
Nice, Shehal. Shehal, can you show us the whole page, please? I can only see squares right now. Nice.
Nice. Nice, Fauzia. Rinzi, show your drawing.
So
Wait,
your
I'll call out the name. Rinzi, show your drawing. Can we get that little more closer? Yes, good. Very good.
card बनेगा.
Next, who else?
पापा खुश हो
Vaishnavi? Wow, very good. Yes, now what you can do is continue this. I don't even have to tell. You can continue, you can put some more lines and you can see now if I do this, I just go on doing concentric lines like that. Right? So this way, just go on filling shapes. Let me see each one of you now. Iha Das, show me your drawing, Iha. Iha, show me your drawing.
Nice.
Oh, so many flowers and birds and clouds. Put some more. We don't want a scenery here. Put some more lines and just do design and design and design. Okay? Some more lines, Iha.
Can I do a girl?
Who else? Kaushika, show yours. Show your drawing. Very good. Oh, very nice. There are more spaces. Try to fill. You can leave some spaces like this, but try to fill the other spaces. Good. Very nice. Kaushika, very nice. Who else? Who else? Kirtana, can I see your work? Can I see your artwork? Raunak,
रौनक दिखाओ अपना हाथ
show me your artwork.
दिखाओ दिखाओ
Yes, show me your artwork.
Nice, Ronak. Nice.
Very good. Put some more lines. Put some more lines, Raunak, and put some more rounds and curvy lines. Yes? Good boy. Who else? Who else have to show?
Online.
online straight line
I'll give you some more time to finish. Another 5-10 minutes. Jayashri. Saman, show your work. Show your work, Saman. One second, I
Very
cannot
nice,
see.
Saman. Very nice.
I'm not able to see. Wait.
Yeah, we can see now.
Yeah, one second. I'll just replace the pin. Oh, super. Very good. Now, there is some more space here. Why didn't you do some more drawing here? Okay? Very good. Good going.
Very nice, Saman.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who else have to show still? Iha has shown, and then Fauzia, Rana. Okay, now we are left with Kirtana, Ashel, and Jayashri. I hope you're doing okay. You can do it and show it to your parents, or at the end you can show it to us. It's a surprise. Okay, so go on filling and try and finish the whole thing. I'll draw some more. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am, I'm Vaishnavi's mother only, so I'm not drawing.
Pardon?
No problem, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, Vaishnavi's mother. Okay.
Okay.
Fine, Jayashri.
Okay.
Yes. Got it. So try and finish this with more circles. You can even just use dots. You can just make another cut there and just use dots. Just dots. All right?
बना कार्ड बना सुंदर से पापा के कार्ड
Good, Fauzia. Very good, Fauzia. Yes.
Hello. I drew a girl.
Nice, yeah, very nice.
Hello, Helen. Please sing.
Come out with some more. See, there's another thing what I thought of. Yes. See, we can do like this also.
Okay.
Can you see that? I don't know if you can see. It's like a wire.
छाया रे बन के साया
Okay.
मेरा
So just think of any texture and just go on filling up each block. The main thing is we'll have more and more blocks and keep on filling the blocks.
पापा के लिए कार्ड बनाओ ना।
Yes, फोटो खींचूंगी।
हाँ खींचूंगी, पापा के लिए फोटो बनाओ।
बाय फोटो। फोटो बनाओ। दिखना नहीं है। फोटो। मेरा भरोसा लगता है तुम्हारे को सिर्फ दिस मैम
Yes.
ये हम
Yes,
सिर्फ
Aman, tell me.
ये हम सिर्फ टेक्सचर बना रहे हैं या हम शेप्स बना रहे हैं?
You're actually making shapes now,
ओके
isn't it? Texture will come when maybe we use sand and then work on that. So those give textures to you. Or
Okay.
when you're using paint, then we can make those textures. Right now we are doing shapes, different shapes.
ओके
What we spoke of in the beginning, be it lines or squares or circles. These are what we're doing. Show. Yes. Yes, someone show me. No, can't see.
Yeah, we can
Yes.
see it now, Zaman.
Ma'am and Kaushika, can I do even semicircle?
Very good. Yes, you can do semicircle, of course. Nice, Saman. You can do semicircle, you can do ovals. See, that's what I say. You can think of some other shape. Right? Or you can do semicircles also. Or you can do, see, this is the, what is this? This is like a drop.
Can we
Right? Like a teardrop.
ड्रॉ ना, ड्राइंग
Just
करो।
think of something and then fill each block with that.
Kirtan, you were showing us your drawing. You want to show again? Kirtan?
हमें गार्ड बनाओ ऐसा
Somebody said, can we draw fish? You can draw fish as well, yes.
फिश बनाओ, फिश बनाओ, फिश बनाओ, फिश। पापा को पसंद है, फिश पसंद है तो ना।
You can draw a fish, and in the fish also you can do so many lines and then fill them with all those shapes, with different shapes. Or you can draw a butterfly and then fill them with these shapes. In each wing, in each part, in each block, you can fill with different shapes. Okay. So, but you can do that on your own. You can do. Right? The same thing what you're doing right now, the designs, the same thing you can draw on a butterfly, you can draw on a bird, you can draw on a fish, or you can take a flower and on the flower itself you can do so many different blocks and then fill each of them. So this you can do it on your own. So now shall we have a last look in your artworks and we'll go for the next artwork for the day?
क्या करूं?
Can all of you show your work? Can
Yeah.
all of you show your work?
वर्क दिखा मैम,
Nice, Fauzia.
दिखा मैम।
And that looks complete.
yes
The whole work has been complete. Very good. Good, Fauzia. Yes, next. Who else will show? If you're still drawing, it's okay. Those who have finished can show your work.
नानक लो पकड़ो, दिखा मैम।
Iha, you made some more lines, some more blocks? Iha? Yes, show. Yes. Yes, very nice. Good, Isha. Yeah, sorry. Yes, who else have finished?
Nice, Kaushika. You can fill in more stuff in that, Kaushika. There's still some white
Kaushika.
space left. You can fill that in.
Sure, sure. A little, go a little back. Go a little back. Ah, yes, 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 yes. Very good, very good. Beautiful. Good one, Kaushika. Yes. Next, who else? Someone, 1 second. Someone, show me again. Someone, I couldn't see. Yes, very good. Oh, I can see butterflies also. Beautiful. Stars, very good. That's a new one you've used. Good. There are stars there. Very good. Yes. Next, who else will show?
Rinsi is showing us.
Rinsi, 1 second, Rinsi. I'll pin you up and then see. Oh. No, I cannot see Rinsi's work. You able to see, Amal?
Yes, let me just. They're not showing.
I think
that.
Ashehal had come on video, but I couldn't see her work.
Yeah.
Ashehal, 1 second. I'll just pin you and see. Oh, beautiful. See, that's a very different way of doing. Very nice. See? All of you see Ashael's work also. It's beautiful. So in that butterfly itself, she's done so many circles and rounds. Nice, Ashael. So some more space, if you can fill, it will be beautiful. It's very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Yes, next. Who else will show? I think we've seen everybody's. Vaishnavi, did we see yours? Sure. Yes. Good, Vaishnavi. Very nice. Who else? Kirtana and Fauzia. I want to see your works. We have to see your works now. Kirtana, Fauzia. Fauzia, we saw, sorry. Fauzia, I saw yours. I think it was Kirtana, only Kirtana actually. Only Kirtan Kumar. Rest all we saw. Okay, so now let's go to next. Now this kind of work, try and do as much as possible. Whenever you feel bored or when you feel dull, you can just take a sheet and just draw lines. You don't have to think, oh, I have to draw a flower. I have to draw a fish. No.
Ma'am, Kirtan is showing his work right
Who?
now.
Kirtan. 1 second. Kirtan. Nice. They are nice 4 rounds. Go a little back, Kirtan. Yes. Not able to see your drawing.
Yeah, there's some glare, Kirtan, so we are not able to see your.
There's a little glare, but I could see some 4 big rounds. So Kirtan, draw some more lines in that, some more curvy lines, and complete your work. Okay? You can show it to your parents, or you can show it to anybody in the house later. Okay, so now what I was saying, whenever you want to do, children, don't think of, I have to draw some shape, I have to draw an animal, I have to draw a flower, I have to draw something. No, it doesn't matter. With all these small, just rounds and squares and lines and curves, we can just make a painting. This itself, all of you, if you start coloring it, you can color it with sketch pen or crayons or watercolor. When you complete the whole thing, this becomes a painting. And you can do this whenever you feel bored or when you feel dull or when you feel happy. In anything you can do just this. Random lines and drawing. Okay, so you can do this later on. Now for today we will do one more drawing. Shall we? We shall do one more? Yes, different. Not the same thing. We'll do something different now. Yes, Saman, very nice. All of you, I think we all have to clap. Amal and Tinu also, please join with me. Let's clap for all these children. A fantastic job. All of you, clap for each other. Yes. Good, yes. Okay. So now, let's move on to the next one. Okay. So you keep this sheet aside. Take another A4 size sheet. Take another A4 size sheet. A blank sheet.
एक हमारे
Okay.
एक हमारे
Nice, nice.
somewhere. This one is to be
Yeah, yes.
Colorful you have to make exercise
Let's
wise.
go to the other
Is
one.
it supposed to
One
be
second, give me some time.
texture or something or begin like
Yes, that works, Kaushika. That's great.
ब्रश लगे कौन सी लगे?
All of you taken a fresh sheet. Give Alka ma'am a minute to erase.
रोटी रोटी से एक तो हमारे रोट
He's so happy, huh? Raunak, you're singing so well. It's a nice way to draw. You can sing and draw. You can dance and draw. Nice. Okay, now let's go to next.
एक तो
Till
हमारे
now, we used our hand to draw, right? From
एक
the
तो
first air drawing, which
रोट
we did in air, and then this we used one hand. Now let's say use two hands. Okay. So take your hand, right, and place your left hand on the sheet, vertical. Let it be vertical like this. Spread your hand like this. Okay. Yes. Spread your hand like that, and on your sheet, place it on your sheet like this, vertical, and start drawing your hand. Draw your hand on the sheet. Okay, I will also draw. You also draw your hand on the sheet. Start that.
Hello?
Okay. Are you drawing?
수수해야 지라래. 화누마사
Put the hand on your sheet.
இது அப்படியே ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா முடிஞ்சிச்சு.
So you get something like that. Right. So you drew a hand on the sheet.
पेंसिल चला
All of you drew?
पेंसिल चला
Yeah, very nice, Iha. Very nice.
Yeah, just check that.
Very nice, Fauziya. Yes. All right, Vaishnavi, you also got it. Very nice. Saman, yeah, I see yours as well. Yeah, that works. Yes, very nice.
खींचो खींचो यहाँ से
Ashika, yes, you're also done. Ronak, where's your hand? You draw a hand.
Yes.
Okay, Ronak, well done, Ronak. Well done. Ashayal, did you get your hand? Kirtan, did you draw a hand? Okay.
Guys, now before that, if you want to have water or something, please. If you want to drink water or if you want to go to the loo, you can take a 2-minute break and then we will continue. Have your water. Anything to, if you want to have water or biscuit or anything. Okay.
Any design on the hand?
You can take 2 minutes for that.
Can we draw designs on the hand we do?
पानी पी क्या पानी पी लो पानी
Iha, we're going to make something with the hand right now. Okay, so wait before you draw the designs. Alka ma'am is going to show you something that you can do with the hand. Okay, so before you draw designs, just see what she makes out of that hand. Okay.
Okay. Are we good? Shall we start? Just show like this. Ah, yes. We will start. Okay. Now, this hand is an irregular shape, right? This is an irregular shape. And right now, it's a drawing of a hand. Correct? Now we will go ahead and do something else with this hand. Okay? We will try? Let's try. What you do, wherever you've drawn the thumb finger, you draw a beak. I will show you how to draw a beak in a bigger size. Kirtana.
नहीं गल अच्छा यहाँ बना अच्छा यहाँ
Okay, can you see? Draw a beak like this. Now this is the thumb finger edge. Okay, draw a big beak like this. One big line like that. And then a line to join that. And then a smaller line. You got that? Okay, so we drew a beak here.
नहीं सब खा गए ना
Yes. Shall we go to the next? Now we will put an eye for that bird. We're going to draw a bird, okay? So now we put an eye. Right? I will show you in a bigger size. Just draw one semicircle like that. A big semicircle. Okay. And then put a smaller semicircle inside. And a smaller semicircle inside. And you can fill this. Okay. So that is the eye of. You don't draw this separately. I am just showing you in a bigger size how you are drawing inside the bird. Okay, see this is your sheet, correct? So in your sheet only this much should be there. Don't draw all this. You got it? Now, next. What shall we do next? We will do some crown for it. Just make lines like this. Okay?
यहाँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट का नाम क्या होगा
So you're doing like this. The middle line will be
डिस्ट्रिक्ट का
bigger
नाम
and then small, small and smaller. Smaller and smaller and smaller. This is on the head of the peacock. I told them. And you're going to do this. Got it?
मैंने ये बना दिया ये बनाना है
Okay, so I'll go to the next now.
यहाँ कलगी
पंजाबी नो
ये बनाना है
Okay, next. From wherever this neck is, take a line like that and go down like that. Okay. Almost in the middle of the hand, go like that, like one hump there and go down like that. Good. Then just take a and like that. Here also near the neck, you're going to do that. Right? And then Let's do some feathers like that. Okay? You can see that, right? Amal, it's visible?
Yes, yes, we're able to see.
Okay, okay. And you can give one more like this, see? So now we got its body.
Peacock?
Huh?
Peacock?
Yes. Guessed it right. Good. Yes, we are drawing a peacock. Okay. Now, at the end of the fingers, leave some space and you can draw a drop. Shape of a drop like that. See? Like a drop, no? A water drop. See? Got that? And you can put one more water drop inside that and just color them. Color in the sense, just do it with your pencil itself. Okay, you're doing one drop each for each finger. Good, Kaushika. Yes. Iha. You finished drawing? Good. Okay. Next. Tell me the next. Just take this.
Nice,
from the
Rohan.
middle of this.
I'm able to see. Ashayal, nice.
Who showed?
Very nice, Ashayal. Standing-
So cute. Very nice. Yes, very good.
Nice, very nice.
Wow. So continue now. From here, each of the feathers should come down to the body. Okay. I want to show you. Okay. Each of them. Right. Now, at the edge here, see, I'll just draw here and show. What you have to do is, you have to like make lines and lines like that. When it comes here, it should be like this. I'll show you in a bigger version, Chintan. I'll show you in a bigger version. I'll show you here. It's like that. And the teardrop in the middle. And here you do this.
I did it a bit wrong.
Like that.
I did it but
Yes. And then continue it. See, you.
Yes, Kirtan. Do you have a question, Kirtan? Kirtan, you have your hand raised. Do you have a question?
Continue that, like that. So for all this, you have to fill up. Okay. So we're doing lines and lines. See, what all we use now? We used a circle, we used semicircle, we used curvy lines, we used lines. So a drawing is only made of these things. So yeah. Okay, fill that.
Ma'am,
Once you're done this,
after this step, we'll just see everybody's, then we'll go to the next step now.
once you've done this, okay. This engages them so well. Look at them, this full concentration. Very nice, all busy bees. Yes, Kaushika. Very good. Let me pin and see. Once again, Kaushika, just show me again. Nice. Complete that. Have you completed till the end? Till down. Put those lines. Okay. Who else want to show?
Fauzia is showing right now.
Fauzia. 1 second, Fauzia. Hold it. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice, Fauzia.
Nice, Fauzia. Good.
Vaishnavi is showing now. Vaishnavi. Wait, let me
Yes,
just.
Vaishnavi, you just hold 1 second.
Can you take it a little back?
Little higher.
Paper.
Oh, so cute. Very nice. Good. Who else?
Iha is raised her hand.
Iha, show. So beautiful.
Nice, Iha.
Very nice. Very nice. But Iha, now your peacock is going to become a flying peacock. I'll tell you why. That's why I said it should be vertical. In the paper, the hand should be vertical so we can make the peacock stand. We need to put its leg, right? Now, this will be a flying peacock. It's okay. Yours is a flying peacock. We can't do it. Isn't it? It's okay. This will be a flying peacock. Another drawing later on you do a standing peacock. Okay? Okay, who else?
Saman, do you want to show us?
ट्राई करने एक दफा
1 second.
या मैं तो कहता हूँ आप भी कुछ कर
Good, Saman.
Saman, nice.
Take a little back. Go a little back, Saman. Yes.
12 minus 5
Okay, Saman. Now you draw this, but later on you draw one more. Don't draw all this. Okay? This was only to show the shape for you because you will not be able to see I drew this. Don't draw this. Now it's okay. Now you complete this. But later on, you just do the finger drawing and then do all some background scenery and all that. All right. But your drawing is beautiful. Very nice. Perfect shape of the eye, beak. Very good.
Thank you.
Next. Who else?
Kaushika.
Kaushika.
Nice.
Nice. Yes, Kaushika. Good. Who else has not shown? Iha, Vaishnavi, Kaushika showed, Saman showed. Ronak. Ronak and who else has not shown?
Kirtan.
Okay, so shall we go to the next? Now in the same thing, if you say there is the peacock generally,
Nice.
you know
Kirtan.
how a peacock when it dances you have seen, no? This is very nice, Arshaya, good one. Very good. Okay, so now when a peacock dances, its feather is completely open like that, right? So let's put some more peacock feathers into it. I'll show you the example. So you can do one more here, and here, and here, okay? And then you can continue here also, and on the sides. It can be smaller. As it comes down, it can be smaller like that. See? Now we got the full feather. So do that. Draw in between and the same thing. You put a drop, a water drop there. Okay, and then we put another one in the middle and again put a stick there, a stick, a line for a stick, and then all those design. More and more lines and lines. Okay. Okay, I'll give you some time. Finish that first.
Just a quick time check. We are at. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I think I dropped something here. Okay.
Just a quick time check, ma'am. We are at 12 p.m.
Oh, yes. So you're almost there, ending. Just didn't know how the time went now. And look at them, they're so busy doing. All are busy working. Nice.
Kirtan, are you able to see now?
Okay, now the last. Oh, they're still doing. I don't want to stop them. Nice. Fauzia, very nice. Yes, Ashihal. Good. Ashihal, fill that up. You can fill it up later. Fill all those which you have to do. Actually, you can fill this later, children. Let me show the next step. We will draw the peacock's leg, okay, and put a little bit of scenery there. Okay, we'll do that and then you can continue. Later on you can continue. I'll show you how to draw the legs now, okay? We'll do that? Yes. So now here, I'm going to draw there as well. I'll show you here, bigger one. You draw like this. And like this. And like that. A smaller line here. And bigger line in the front. You can just do that. Can you see that? And same way another.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules?
So we got the legs of the peacock.
With these expectations,
and then you will just give some background to it. Maybe something like a, okay, just like that. And then you can put some grass there. Here you can just go on
Ma'am, can
developing.
I keep any background? Ma'am, can I keep any background?
Any background. You can do anything. Now this all you can do whatever you want. You can put flowers, you can put a tree, or you can put some cloud there. You know, you can draw any background and then do some coloring on it. Not now. Our time is up. Amal sir has already told the time is up.
I can draw legs or
You
a
finish the
background
legs.
like that.
You finish the legs and then you all show us. And background you can do anything you want later on.
I don't know which
First now
background.
finish it. Yes. Here I can see.
I don't know which background to do.
You have to put clouds. Your peacock is a flying peacock. So you put clouds in sky and it's nice. Isn't it? Later on you do another peacock, which is a standing peacock. Okay, so just try to see how the leg is. Draw in another page and just keep it if you want to know how to draw a leg. Otherwise you will figure out. You can do it. Good one. Nice, Isha. Iha. Fauzia. One second. Wow, that's nice. Oh, the peacock is already in a forest. Good. Okay, you can now, I mean, we are going to close the workshop now, but you can later on color it. And
Nice,
send it to
Kaushika.
us. Who else Kaushika is showing? One second. Oh, so beautiful, Kaushika. Your peacock is almost walking there. Very cute. So put some more what to say, background and all that. Okay. And then complete the work. Who else?
Kirtan. Kirtan is showing right now.
Kirtan. No, someone also showing. Who is? One second. I'll just see Saman's first. Yes, Saman. Very nice. Saman, I think you have to join is the neck. It is separate, right? Am I not able to see or Amal?
No, you're right. You can
Yes.
complete the hand, Saman.
Complete the body, Saman. See, from the leg, you have to join to the neck. Okay? That much you do, otherwise it's beautiful. Good one. Because right now your head is separate. Maybe it's just erased there. Just complete that and it will be fine. Yours looks like a hopping peacock. Next. Someone, Kirtan. Yes, 1 second, Kirtan. I'll just pin. Oh, beautiful. Kirtan, your peacock is like, trying. It is looking up into the sky and asking for rains to come. Haha, lovely. But you have to do some more. You have to do this drawing and complete all that and then do coloring. Okay? Good one, Kirtan. Next. Who else? Vaishnavi. 1 second, Vaishnavi. Oh, Vaishnavi is in a hurry. Yes. The peacock is like, it's ran and then it stopped. It's in a hurry to go somewhere. Good. Very nice. Nice, Vaishnavi. Who else have to show?
Ashehal is showing.
Who else? Ashehal. You have shown Ashehal. 1 second. Oh, beautiful Ashehal. Ashehal, you can remove that what to say, the beak and the eye which is on the side. We don't want that. Okay, just the peacock is beautiful. This one is like a talking peacock with the sun on its head. Good. Very nice. Just erase that side cut. That's all. Everything else is perfect. Yes. Are we done? I think we've seen everybody's work, right? Yes, we have seen everybody's work. That was a fantastic job. I enjoyed working with you. Enjoyed drawing with you guys. So the one thing I would like to say, complete this. If you want to color them, both the drawings, the one which we did before and the peacock, do the background, do the coloring, and you can send it to Daffodil. I think you should take it up from here. They can send it so I can see later on how they have completed it. Right?
Yes, absolutely,
So
ma'am.
that's it, children. Bye from my side. So glad to have spent this Saturday with you.